Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to place a relative order on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using IBKR Desktop for this walkthrough. First, you need to populate the order entry panel. Click on a stock symbol from your portfolio or watch list, or type the ticker you want to trade into the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you do that, the order panel will populate with your selected symbol, and you'll see the buy and sell buttons appear. Next, click either buy or sell depending on which direction you're trading. For this example, I'll click buy. The order window opens up showing the quantity field and order type options. Now enter the number of shares you want to purchase in the quantity field. Type in your amount, remember. This has to be whole shares only because fractional shares aren't supported for relative orders. Here's where it gets specific to relative orders. Click on the order type dropdown. It might be showing stop or whatever order type you used last. Scroll down and select relative. It may appear as REL in the list. As soon as you select it, you'll notice an additional offset input field appears on screen. That's exactly what we need. Next, enter your limit price. This is the maximum you're willing to pay if you're buying, or the minimum you'll accept if you're selling. Type that amount into the limit price field. This acts as your price cap. The order won't execute above this price for a buy or below it for a sell. Now enter the offset amount in the offset field that just appeared. This could be something like 0.05 for 5 cents. When you hover over this field, you might see a tooltip showing the calculated price. What this offset does is add to the national best bid for a buy order, making your bid more competitive. The order will peg to the market quote and move with it. If you want to set a time and force, click on that dropdown and choose either day or GTC. Day orders expire at the end of the trading day, while good till canceled orders stay active until they're filled or you manually cancel them. This step is optional. When you're ready, you've got 3 options at the bottom of the order entry panel. You can click Preview to see the full order breakdown and margin impact, save to save it for later, or Submit Buy Order to send it immediately. I recommend clicking Preview first if this is your first time placing a relative order. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to go, click Transmit in the order confirmation window. Your order is now live. A few things to know: the order price will adjust dynamically as the market moves. If the best bid goes up, your order price moves up by your offset amount. But don't worry, it won't execute above your limit price cap. Also, remember that relative orders only work with whole shares, so you can't use fractional amounts for this order type. After you've submitted it, you can monitor, modify, or cancel the order from the order confirmation screen or activity panel. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.